Morning, friends. Scripture is clear on the fact that we should choose who we want to serve, as we read in Joshua 24, verse 15. And if it seems evil to you to serve the Lord, choose for yourselves this day whom you will serve. But as for me and my house, we will serve the Lord. Please pray with me. Lord, awaken the altar in our home. Let our conversations carry thanksgiving, our meals echo praise, and our prayers invite your presence. We dedicate our household to you again, every child, every dream, every room. Your manifested presence, Father, tangible amongst us, not a Sunday morning occurrence, but our way of life. Make our home a dwelling place of your Spirit, a refuge of peace and revival. As for me and my house, we will serve and thank the Lord.